Welcome back, y'all. We got some stuff that we're gonna unmold. We're not gonna do this one yet. Just put this off to the side because it's not done. We got two. We're gonna make something shake. I'm going to come around and we are going to start with this one because I want to see how it looks with the, I'm trying a different technique for this one than the others because I've just been putting in the, oh yes, oh, this is actually not bad. I'm gonna add a little something in the middle here, but this is part 2 of a matching set. The first one was the red one, and yeah, okay. And this is the base. We're doing another of the Mean Girls theme rolling trays. You see, we had to go get a new mold because the other one went kaput on me. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna try to keep this mold as spectacular, but yes, here we are. We got tray, a rolling tray, and our ashtray. All right. And then we're gonna slap our accents in here. I'm not trying to make everybody's tray look the exact same. So we have some variety here because that is the spice of life. And I'm gonna post a picture after it's done, of course, so you can see exactly how it came out. But this is essentially how it's going to look. And we have some stickers and such we're gonna add for accents when we do it, but there's our burn tray. Yeah. All right, let me squeeze back around here. Oof. All right, so yeah, so we have tray. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure you are up to date on all the podcast episodes, and if you would like a tray, pointlesscreates.com or pointlesstalks.com/crafts, whichever makes your life easier. And yeah, this will get on the website eventually. I don't like to put trays on the site before, like customs on the site before the owner receives it. I should have bought this new mold a long time ago. I'm vibing with this. I like it a lot. But yes, make sure you are subscribed, and just like everything else we do at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, whether you got hair on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.